So now let's see how we can work with the share options inside of Snagit editor. So over here, I have some videos and some images as you can see. And if I want to share it, then I can click on the share button and you have various options as you can see right here. So you can share it as a file. So once you click on file, it's the same as saving out any file right here by going on to file and save. But if you were to go over here and choose some other options, you can see that you can copy it to your clipboard, or over here, you can directly send it to Microsoft Word. So let's see this option right here and see what happens when I click Word right here. When I click Word, the Word app opens up right here. And then just like this, you can see that the Word app is here and the screenshot is there in Microsoft Word app. It's just directly integrated inside right there. If I were to go over here and say, let's say, for example, in PowerPoint right here, it'll open up PowerPoint right here, as you can see, and the screenshot is integrated right inside of PowerPoint. Similarly, I can do that with all of the apps which are available right here. So if you have Camtasia installed, then you can directly export it out into Camtasia and so forth right here. So now what else you can do is you can export out videos as well. So you go to share right here, and then for videos there is limited number of places. Like you can share it on Camtasia, Screencast, Nomania, Twitter. You can see you can share it, but you cannot export it out into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or OneNote, which just supports out image formats. And those are the image sharing options. And in the next lesson, we're going to see how we can upload it into cloud services that is in Google Drive. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.